Welcome students. Now we will understand the topic from Grecian town to empire, the expansion of Delhi Sultanate. So in the early part, the Delhi Sultans they were dependent upon trade, tribute or plunder for supplies. Two words we need to understand. One is hinterland and the second is garrison. As you are seeing this picture is in this picture we are seeing a garrison town market view. Basically garrison towns were the fortified settlement with soldiers. Hinterland were the lands adjacent to a city or part that supply it with goods and services. This map is given in the book also. In this map we are seeing or we can observe the Alauddin Khalji's campaign into South India. Years are mentioned given in the map. In 1299 the campaign was done towards Gujarat. In 1302 to 1303 the campaign was done towards Bengal, and some others campaigns of Alauddin Khilji's are shown. So Delhi Sultans they used campaigns, they accessed the different parts of India to control them and to get wealth from those territories to strengthen the Delhi Sultanate. One more policy which they have adopted was encouraging agriculture. As we can see that the Alauddin Khalji and also Muhammad Tughlaq, the Delhi Sultans, the famous Delhi Sultans, they paid salaries in cash, and the peasantry was taken care in their time. The peasants they used to cultivate, they used to grow a lot of crops, and they used to give a heavy land revenue to the Delhi Sultans. And the Delhi Sultans collected taxes from peasantry to utilize that money or that revenue to strengthen their army. So they purchased modern weapons, equipments, and food, meals. They gave other infrastructure to the army, because army in those days was the important force for any kingdom. So we can see that they made relations. They invaded new territories to expand the Delhi Sultanate.